Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you. If you're into gadgets, this is going to blow your mind. We're talking about the 12 coolest gadgets that are sure to impress. These are innovations that will make you say, wow, I could really use that. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments which gadget is your favorite. All right, let's get started. One, IWOK, portable charger. Kicking off our list at number 12 is the IWOK portable charger. This is not just your regular power bank. With a compact size and a massive 4,500 mAh capacity, it's designed specifically for the iPhone 15 series, but also works with other devices like Samsung, Google Pixel, and Moto phones. This little guy offers a powerful 20W output for fast charging, making sure you're never stuck with a dead phone while you're on the go. If you're constantly on the move and hate dealing with low battery anxiety, this gadget is a must-have. 2. Meta Quest 3. Coming in at number 11 is the Meta Quest 3 with 128 GB of storage. This isn't just any virtual reality headset. It's a cutting-edge mixed reality device that blends the digital world with real life in an immersive experience. What's even better? The bundle comes with Asgard's Wrath 2, an epic game that really shows off the power of this VR system. With this headset, you're not just playing games, you're stepping into them. Talk about next-level gaming. 3. LED flashlight gloves. Now here's something practical and cool. LED flashlight gloves. These gloves are perfect for anyone who needs light while keeping their hands free. Imagine you're working on a car, fishing at night, or even trying to repair something in a tight, dark space. These gloves have LED lights built into them, so wherever you point your hands, you'll have instant illumination. Plus, they make a great gift for anyone who loves tinkering with things. Functional, cool, and super convenient. 4. Cooling blanket. Number 9 on our list is the 15-degree C cooling blanket from Japan. Say goodbye to those sleepless, sweaty summer nights. This blanket uses cutting-edge cooling fibers that adjust to your body heat and moisture, keeping you cool and comfortable even during the hottest months. It's lightweight, machine washable, and designed to last, perfect for anyone who struggles to stay cool at night. Rest easy with this little innovation in your bedroom. 5. Wireless meat. Thermometer. Love to grill? Then check out number 8, the wireless meat thermometer. This high-tech thermometer can withstand high temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees T, making it perfect for grilling, oven roasting, and even barbecuing. With its Bluetooth connectivity, you can monitor your meat's temperature in real time from an app on your phone. No more overcooked or undercooked meals. This gadget is an essential tool for anyone who loves grilling or cooking meat to perfection. 6. Smart binoculars. At number 7, we have the Smart Binoculars by Unistellar. These aren't your ordinary binoculars. They use augmented reality, AR, to enhance your stargazing or outdoor exploration experiences. You can easily identify stars, planets, and constellations in real time, and the built-in high-quality optics offer crystal-clear views. It's perfect for both amateur astronomers and outdoor enthusiasts. These binoculars are here to turn your nighttime adventures into an immersive experience. 7. Customizable Modular MultiTool. Next up is number 6, the Zen Ultimate Customizable Modular MultiTool. This isn't just your average multi-tool. It's completely modular and customizable, so you can adapt it to your specific needs. Whether you need a knife, screwdriver, or even a bottle opener, this tool has you covered. It's compact, durable, and perfect for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, or even emergencies. A true lifesaver in your pocket. 8. Wi-Fi smart-controlled grills. Grilling just got smarter with number 5. Wi-Fi smart-controlled grills from Green Mountain Grills. The Prime 2.0 series allows you to control everything from your smartphone. Whether you're doing a long overnight smoke, searing a steak, or making wood-fired pizza, you can do it all with precision using the Smart app. Say goodbye to standing by the grill all day. This is the ultimate gadget for backyard chefs who want to elevate their grilling game. 9. Bird Weather P. For all the bird enthusiasts out there, number 4 on our list is the Bird Weather P. This compact gadget identifies and records bird songs using advanced algorithms. It's easy to carry around, and it gives you real-time feedback about the birds in your area. Imagine being able to identify birds by their songs during your next nature walk. It's a perfect tool for both new and seasoned bird watchers. 10. Automatic coffee espresso machine. Number 3 is for all the coffee lovers. The Zulamaya Super Automatic Espresso Machine. With an integrated grinder and a 7-inch touchscreen, this machine lets you brew coffee just the way you like it. It offers 19 coffee recipes and can save preferences for up to 10 different users, making it a dream come true for households with multiple coffee drinkers. Start your morning right with this powerful espresso machine. 11. Acer Spatial Labs Eyes Camera. If you're into 3D, you'll love number 2, the Acer Spatial Labs Eyes Camera. This gadget allows you to capture immersive 3D content and even join 3D video meetings. With an 880p resolution per eye, it's designed for high-quality content creation and real-time streaming. If you're into photography or videography, this camera will take your content to the next level. 12. Swimming Belt Trainer. And finally, number 1 is for the swimmers. The Swimming Belt Trainer. This belt allows you to train in any pool without needing a countercurrent system. It's padded for comfort and offers adjustable resistance, making it great for swimmers of all levels. Whether you're training for fitness or just want a good workout, this swim trainer is a perfect choice. Conclusion, and there you have it. 12 of the coolest gadgets that are sure to impress. Which one are you thinking of picking up? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.